Hello and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Sylvia, and please remember to subscribe and turn on the notifications. Today I'll be creating a backdrop image using one of my old photos. I believe I took this picture in Savo East National Park. See, the thing is, I usually submit my images for stock photography, but when the image is blurry and not so sharp, like this image, I don't like it to go to waste. So what I normally do is I turn it into an illustration or something that I can use with content creation, like design layouts or backgrounds. Also, the advantage of turning it into an illustration is I can sell it as a stock image if I still want to, because it becomes a sharp image. So continue watching the rest of the video to see how it turns out. Leave your comments below and let me know what you think of the outcome.